Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm transplanting some aloe vera plants and I figured I'd do a quick little video on explaining why you may want to keep a aloe vera plant in your house because there's so many different ways that you can use a aloe vera plant, and they're just a great plant to have around. Now, a quick fact on the aloe vera plant itself: it is one out of 420 different species of aloe. So make sure if you're looking for an aloe vera plant, you're actually get an aloe vera plant, not a different variation of aloe. So there's two different aspects of the plant. You have the actual outer part of the leaf, and then you also have the inner part which holds the gel. And there are many common uses of both the latex, which is the skin, and the gel part, which is on the inside. And I have two smaller ones here that I'm going to show you something that really cool that you can do with aloe vera plants later on in the video. But the gel is really good for skin conditions. So if you have any types of burns, so if you get a fire burn, a sunburn, frostbite is another good one. Also cold sores, and from what I understand, psoriasis as well, it's really good for. So I know I've had one of these as a child growing up. My mom always had one in the house. So if I ever hurt my skin somehow with either scraping it on the ground or burning it, they would literally take a leaf like this, and if you look at this close enough, you can see that there is a gel in there. And so what you do is you just rub that on your skin. It's actually really soothing, and it really helps heal up your skin. Now, the latex, or the outer part of the plant, is really good for depression, asthma, from what I gather. A big one that I know a lot of people would benefit from is it helps with constipation and diabetes as well. And one thing that's really good that you can benefit from an aloe vera plant all around is putting it in a smoothie, and then that way you ingest it and it helps you with all of that. It also helps, because it is a plant, it helps with purifying your air in the house. And the reason I transplanted it today is because we're going to be making our own soaps out of goat milk, and you see a lot of products out there that have aloe. So like After Sun, there's always aloe in there. Any lotions you see with aloe. So aloe is very good. So we're going to be adding that to our soap that we're going to be making, and we're going to need more aloe. And one thing that's really cool with aloe vera plants is that they reproduce their own aloe vera plants. So right here you can see that there are two separate aloe vera plants, and they came from just that one. If we look at this other smaller one here, you see the main plant right here, and right here there are two other smaller aloe vera plants that are coming up from this main one here. And what you can do with this is you can take them right now and transplant them into another pot and let them grow as a second or third aloe vera plant. Or what you could do is take this whole planter out, or the whole plant out, and put it into a bigger planter, such as I have done here, and then you'll get a bigger plant. Another thing is, what I like to do is take these smaller ones and use those for your cuts and scrapes, or putting into fruit smoothies. And then what it'll do is keep on regenerating new ones, and then you just utilize those. So I just wanted to do a quick little video on the benefits of aloe vera plants, because there are medical supplies out there that are getting out of stock. They're getting more expensive. These would be great to have on hand, so you don't have to ever go out to a store and purchase your own chemical products. This is a nice natural way of doing things. So hopefully you got some good information out of this. If you have any questions, leave a question down in the descriptions and I'll get back to you, and I'll see you on the next one.